We're going to learn about farm animals today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
I am a horse, and I say neigh, and my color is brown. I am a pig, and I say oink, and I am pink.
Bah. I am a sheep, and I say bah, and my color is white.
I am a farmer, and I am a farmer. My color is yellow, and my color is brown.
What is yellow?
Yellow is my hat.
What is blue?
Yeah, blue is my jumper.
What color is your shirt?
My shirt's red.
What color is your boots?
My boots are brown.
There's a few more.
Bah, I am a chicken, and I say bah. My color is orange. My color is yellow, and my color is white.
Here's a horse. Now, how do you say horse in Spanish?
Okay, so my name in Spanish goes caballo.
Caballo. Yay. Okay. Here's a cow. How do you say cow in Spanish?
My name in Spanish is vaca.
Vaca is how you say cow in Spanish. Here's a pig.
Oink, oink.
How?
This is how you say my name in Spanish.
Sada.
Seda.
Sheep. How do you say sheep in Spanish, kids?
Again, okay. So my
That's all.
name in Spanish is oveja.
Oveja. How do you say chicken in Spanish, kids? Pollo.
Pollo. Pollo.
So we have chicken, pig, horse,
Cow.
and sheep, and farming. This is our farmhouse.
And this one.